On today's video, we do a PCV valve / oil separator on my girlfriend's 2021 Volkswagen Tiguan with a 2.0 engine. And then to find out, it had a massive oil leak, so we'll get into that, so stay tuned. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mike the Baldadonis, and I buy and sell cars as a hobby, and I bring you guys along with me, showing the pros and cons of each vehicle I buy. I do travel videos throughout New England, and I talk about my life experiences. All right, let's get into it. Common issue on the Volkswagens is this PCV valve, okay? Now, I changed I changed the spark plugs on my girlfriend's car a few months ago. Check engine light was on, it was at around 60,000 miles, so we did the spark plugs. To find out, the check engine light would come back on, and some of my repair shops are not Volkswagen friendly, let's just say, okay? So she has a mechanic that she takes her car to. It's a German-European shop, BMWs, Volkswagens, whatever. So I said, yeah, just take your car there, see what the check engine light is, and whatever it is, we'll do it, me and my friends, okay? So we could do the mechanical parts. It's just we couldn't read everything on the check engine light. So it came back as PCV valve is bypassing crankcase pressure. Also, they recommend replacing the DMTL pump from the charcoal canister due to the system being stuck open. I'm like, okay, now for $1,000, they will do that job. And this is a type of job that most people can do, especially if you're handy. You can replace a few parts on your cars. This particular job that we're doing today is very simple. So before we get into it, I ordered my parts from ECS Tuning. Now, the part costs $67. I get it in, me and my friend Sean. Well, my friend Sean is working on the car. I'm videotaping it. So we take the part off, it's the wrong part. Gotta send it back. $15 restocking fee or whatever the case may be. They charge me $15 and I lose that.
Wrong one.
Now this is the second time I dealt with this company. The first time was with my BMW and they gave me a wrong part with that as well. So I've lost $30 to this company. I'll probably never buy a part from this company ever again, only because I shouldn't have to pay to send it back. That's how I feel. All right, anyway, so where did I get my part? Volkswagen Direct Auto Parts, and it was $36. Now the thing with Volkswagen Direct Auto Parts is you have to put the VIN number in and it will tell you if that was the correct part or not. And for $36, I got the correct part, and it's new and it's improved versus the old part. So in this clip, you're gonna see my friend Sean doing the job and he's gonna talk about it. So let's take a look.
Oh yeah, son of a bitch. Now they got a plug in it.
So it indicates an issue with EVAP system's pressure sensor switch. This typically points to a problem with either the oil separator or the tank ventilation pressure sensor. So we're going to look at that oil separator.
Yeah, it did have the pointy thing.
Yeah.
Wow.
No, that doesn't come off.
Does it actually need it? Yeah, is that what's that?
I guess that's what it is now, instead of this pointy thing.
Okay.
They just eliminated it.
We'll
But
find out.
otherwise, it.
Yeah, it looks exactly the same.
Okay, let's come on. So the car had a check engine light with a code that led to the oil separator PCV valve possibly being a malfunctioning item. Reading online, it seems it's a pretty common thing to go bad on these cars. So the whole process to change it is to remove your coil pack, electrical connections, pull out these two coil packs, and then you have, I believe it's 7 screws on the outside of the part, a couple air hoses, and a sensor to swap over. It's actually a very straightforward job. Took about 10-15 minutes to get in and out once you had everything sorted out. And we're gonna see if it clears the light and if it stays out. On a good day to fly a drone. Okay. No tools, we're good.
Okay, so when the job was done, I took the car out of the garage and I noticed there were some oil spots. I was like, and I can smell it as well. In my driveway, there's a bunch of oil spots and I thought it was from my truck. Happens to be from my girlfriend's car. So we take it to the shop. We're gonna see what the problem is, so let's take a look.
She's fucking soaking wet there, bud.
Yeah, right?
My God. My God, look at all that. This just happened?
I think it's been happening for the past couple of weeks.
Okay, let's get a can of brake clean on this thing and kind of see if we get any better. Because that's just like that's not good.
All right, as you can see, oil all over the bottom of the engine. We cleaned it up. We waited 2 weeks. We're going to do an oil change, bring it back, and see if anything is leaking again. So let's take a look.
And the weirdest drain plug I've ever seen in my life. Flathead screwdriver. I don't think your future son-in-law is going to be doing much of it, or your stepson is going to be doing anything.
Try to order pouring over.
I think you'll be fine because you have the oil seat coming out. So leave it a smidge high. Yeah. Okay.
All right, as you can see, it's still leaking a little bit. We're gonna have to take the timing chain cover and do that gasket for an upcoming video. But other than that, this is a simple job. $36 in my friend's labor. For you, if you can do this at home, $36. Save yourself a ton of money versus taking it to a repair shop. So we did not change the DMTL pump. We haven't had a problem. It's been going on 3 weeks without a check engine light. So hopefully, knock on wood, that problem is taken care of. We will do that oil leak and other upcoming videos. My friend's 1962 Chrysler car. I did buy a car, I did buy a convertible, so I am doing some work to it now, so that will be my next car video. And being springtime here in New England, nothing but rain. All of April, most of May, just rain. So hopefully I can get out there and do some travel videos very soon. And other than that, that's about it. So until the next video, everybody, Baldadonis out.